If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed, that seed would be this. Mature power is not exciting. It's boring, consistent, and deadly effective. We have been conditioned to believe that growth looks dramatic. Big changes, loud declarations, sudden transformations. But real mastery doesn't look like that. Real mastery is quiet. It repeats itself. It shows up the same way every single day. And because it is not flashy, most people abandon it. They chase motivation instead of structure. They chase intensity instead of consistency. They chase the feeling of progress instead of the discipline that actually creates it. But mature power understands something different. You don't win through emotional bursts, you win through emotional neutrality. It's waking up and doing the work without negotiating. It's following the same routine whether you feel inspired or not. It's choosing long term alignment over short term excitement. No applause, no drama, no visible reward at first. Just repetition. And repetition is where identity is forged. The strongest individuals are not the most hyped, they are the most predictable. Predictable in discipline, predictable in boundaries, predictable in effort, predictable in calm. Because power is not proven in what you do occasionally, power is proven in what you do automatically. Anyone can act strong once, few can remain steady for years. That steadiness, that boring commitment is what compounds into influence, confidence, and mastery. It may not look impressive in a moment, but over time it becomes unstoppable. Stop waiting for growth to feel exciting. The day it becomes ordinary is the day it becomes permanent. Let others chase intensity. You build structure. Let others depend on motivation. You depend on standards. Let others start and stop. You continue. Because mature power is not loud enough to attract attention, but it is strong enough to shape an entire life. Ask yourself gently, where am I chasing excitement instead of consistency? What daily action would change my life if I simply repeated it? Do I rely on motivation or do I operate on standards? What would happen if I stay steady for the next 6 months? Mastery is not dramatic, it's disciplined, it's repeated, and in the end, it is quietly unstoppable. Thank you for being here.